My app, Smackdown 2.0, that I chose is Google Hangouts. How to use Google Hangouts. Google Hangouts is a communication platform and is developed from Google. It is concurrently within its services like Google Talk and Google Plus Messenger, so you can use those with Google Hangout as well. It also allows messaging, video chat, and VoIP features, and allows you to make calls using a broadband internet connection rather than a regular phone call. To use Google Hangouts, you can download it as an app on iOS or go to googlehangouts.com or open Hangouts in Gmail. You can have group conversations which are easy to join and leave by one click of a button. Why Google Hangouts? Google Hangouts are useful and cost-effective. The app is available for iOS and Android devices, and it's even built into Google Plus and Gmail. It's easy for anyone to use. All you need is a Google account, and you can also broadcast live publicly and privately. You can invite external guests, anyone without a Google account, to join the conference by Google Calendar. It offers many of the same features as Facebook and other social media sites, and you can make posts, target your audience, and update photos and information on Google Hangout. Forensic psychology and criminology. For my field, it can be used to communicate with other forensic psychologists globally. It is a more professional platform than applications like Facebook and Twitter, and it gives you more intimate connections with your coworkers or others with helpful information that you need to reach out to. It also allows your relationship to get stronger because of the communication going on via chat, video, and calling. You can also invite new psychologists to old groups to share information all together and can start video chats as well. Stockton University. At Stockton University, Google Hangouts has actually been used for job interviews. It can also be used in a classroom. You can have kids join the groups for class for more information and video chats if teachers can post things for kids to see. Also, it could be used for live broadcasting for Stockton students to watch and see if we're added to the Google Hangout. And that is my presentation.